In this video, I'll show you how to hide your profile picture on Facebook step by step. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile and tap your current profile picture. Select View Profile Picture, then tap the three-dot menu in the corner. If available, choose Edit Privacy or Edit Audience and select Only Me. This limits who can see the profile picture post. But keep in mind that Facebook may still display your current profile picture in certain places, such as your profile or comments. If you want more privacy, you can change your profile picture to a simple image or remove it completely. You can also review your privacy settings to control who can find and contact you on Facebook. Finally, check your profile from another account or use Facebook's privacy tools to see how your profile appears to other people. That's how you can improve the privacy of your profile picture on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook tutorials. Thanks for watching.